Hello YouTube. Working on a straight razor. Hang on, let me get this out of here. It's a German-made straight razor. It's got a really nice case, actually. You know, it's got a little bit of filigree there. It's a German straight razor. I don't know if I mentioned that. It is a Joe Savero Viral Boulevard SI. It says MI Germany on it. But as you can see, the blade is, yeah, it's messed up. It's got a lot of ridges and valleys, and yeah, it's very chipped. And it does have some rust issues, like right around here. But it's a beautiful straight razor, and I think I can fix it. It's a Caruso, apparently. It says Joe Savero 271 Vitrol Boulevard SI. It says Caruso on the other side. MI Germany. But yeah, I'm going to file it down and or grind it down till it's straight. And then I'm going to sharpen it. And then I'm going to get rid of the rust. So stay tuned. Okay, so I straightened out the blade. The blade looks good now. And I got the surface rust off. I just need to get the rest of the rust off. I used some Blue Wonder gun cleaner and some steel wool, and now I'm going to have to polish it up, get all these little rust marks off, and off of the handle or the thumb piece, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. The part that you use to straighten the razor out. But the blade turned out really good. It's very sharp now, but I'm going to sharpen it more with a traditional sharpener. Cleaned up pretty good so far, but I can make it look better. Okay, so here we are. It is looking much better. Let me do this. It looks much better. You know, it has a little bit of patina on it, but that's to be expected. From something that's decades old. I don't know the exact date on this, but I'm going to look it up, so there's that. But it is sharp. Oops, dropped it. If I can do this. Don't know if I can do this one-handed. Okay, anyway, it's hard to do it one-handed, but it did slice through it, you know, very easily. It is very sharp. I sharpened it, and it is a nice vintage German straight razor, and it's sharp. So I'm gonna do this. You know, I got all the ins and the outs, and I'm going to put it up, put it back in its case. Alright. And even polished up the silver leaf, whatever that is, the ornamentation on the ends of it. So it looks pretty good. Happy with it. It's a really cool item. And that's all I've got for today.